You're welcome.
Let's go check back this way. Where? This way, this way. Yeah.
This is what they did. Sorry. Hold on there. Sure.
Gentlemen of the press, we're here to see for ourselves the incident that took place in Ikwerre Local Government Council. I'm just coming in from Akwa Ibom, where the governors of the South and also the Nigerian Governors Forum went to pay condolence to our brother, the governor of Akwa Ibom, who lost his wife. I just came in, so I said it would be proper for me to assess the situation myself. I feel very sad seeing what had just happened in this council. I need to say this so that the good people of Rivers State will understand why we took the path of peace. This council secretariat was built by the immediate past chairman. And for me, because I know the history of this council, how it sought for fund and how it was executed, this is supposed to be a legacy project for him, that whoever is going to come after now will continue to remember that at a certain time, a certain person did this for the LG. But look at what we're seeing here today. Must we go low in politics? There was an election on Saturday. The council, the new council chairman were inaugurated yesterday. We are aware of the boasting that they will not be allowed to access the Secretariat. And we were happy early hours of this morning when the Inspector General of Police directed his men to vacate the premises for easy access of the new elected officers to resume office. And immediately they took advantage of that space to destroy government facility. Who is the loser? The new council that is coming in, the fund that will be applied to other things will now be used to fix this place. Are we not really acting as if we're not responsible? It's an act of irresponsibility. Even if one advises you to go and destroy a government facility, you would think twice. Please, I want to say this to the entire River State. If you're called upon, play your politics with a sense of responsibility. We don't need to kill ourselves. My time will come and I will leave. Do I need to burn the government house? No! We all know where this is coming from. That is the truth. And everybody knows that it is not from my supporters. But I leave all to the security agencies to do a thorough work and let us know the people that are behind this arson. Thank you.